This birthday boy wanted to open his gifts before the cake. He got his way with this huge Spoil Me card. Just another way to make the birthday celebrant stand out, to make him feel very special. Want to learn how to make this card? Watch on. Make something like this and maybe sell them? Watch on. Hey, I'm going to gift 5 US viewers a Spoil Me card. Watch the full video and find out how you can get one for yourself. If this is your first time watching this channel, I welcome you. And if you're a BethBacod, hey, good to see you again. Today, we're gonna do 2 birthday signs. Actually, I'm doing this last minute, just 30 minutes before we leave the house. You know, instead of going shopping for a birthday card, I pull out my paint, I shake the can, and I sip, 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 and there I am with a card or party decorations or signs. At this point, I just want to see if the phrase will fit on the board. If it does, I'll work on the centering and the placement later. If it doesn't, I may have to find a bigger board, smaller letters, shorten the phrase, or dump it all together. How to get a Spoil Me card, you ask? Easy. Comment below and say, I want a Spoil Me card. I will take all those who requests for one and I will raffle them out. I'll pull out 5 names and they will get one of those Spoil Me cards. Maybe rectangular shape, maybe circle, maybe square. You'll find out when you receive it. Yay! It fits! I'm going to move some of the letters around, maybe bring them closer together or further apart. It's Elijah's 4th birthday, and this is the 2nd birthday he's celebrating during the pandemic. The pandemic doesn't mean anything to him, but years from now, in the future, this will mean a lot to him, to his kids, and to his grandkids. There won't be any guessing as to how old he was when the pandemic hit the United States. These photo props will mark special events in our lives. Now I'm making sure the words are centered by measuring both sides. I'll be making a lot of back and forth movements with the letters. The beauty of this craft is I can keep making all the changes I want until after I actually paint it. Enjoy the music as you watch me center the words. I've decided that I don't want the word pandemic to be aligned. All right, we're down to our last word, birthday. Now I turn the board to one side to see if the words are pretty straight. Pretty straight, not perfectly straight. I'm not after perfect. I'm after fun. Fun board. Fun message. Now for the fun part, the spray painting part. This can get scary because each can of paint requires a different pressure. We are not after perfect. We're after creating signs that screams out fun, fun, fun. Party, party, fun, fun. Before I go on, a reminder again on spray painting safety. Number 1, work in a very well ventilated place. Number 2, read the labels and warnings on the can. And number 3, wear a mask. If you take this craft on as a business, making and selling business, all you need are 3 materials. I started with maybe 5 cans of paint, 5 colors. The letters I'm using now, I bought those letters 2 years ago when I started my business. And of course, you'll need some board. Paint, letters, and boards, that's all you need. Again, the steps before painting are: fit the phrase onto the board, center the words, and align the letters. Enjoy the music and watch on. I'll send a personal message to the 5 winners and we can discuss where you want me to send these cards to. And one of the 5 viewers will also receive a $25 gift card to one of the craft stores that I shop at. There's the card that will set the birthday celebrant apart, that will make him feel very special. And you know what? You can use this same card for the next celebrant. This card can be used over and over again. I can see teenagers and adults having so much fun with a card like this on their birthday. You can see that too, can't you? Tell me you can. The final thing I do before drying the paint is to make sure that all the letters have been covered well. If not, this is the best time to cover them all. Use a small fan in drying these up. You can also air dry them. Now let's go for the reveal. Hello, it's my Spoil Me Day. Where to shop for the materials, you ask? Go to the description box below and watch the videos on shopping. Can you see yourself making signs like these and selling them? Can you see yourself making this for the family, for your family celebrations? You know, those celebrations are endless. For as long as we have something to celebrate, we can make these signs. Can you see yourself gifting this to friends? Most importantly, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you can see yourself doing any of those, and if you enjoyed the videos, please like, share, subscribe, ring that bell to be updated for future videos. The five winners of the Spoil Me cards will be revealed on May 31st, 2021. So keep watching. Thank you very much. Bye for now and see you soon. God bless.